Since we're diving into car innovations today, let's start this video off right by taking a close look at the Versus Engineering Brake Cooling Kit. This carefully designed kit elevates brake performance by enhancing cooling efficiency. It's designed in an OEM-style format for maximum efficiency, utilizing OEM fog lights as inlets and a well-formed duct in the inner fender line. The kit comes with pre-cut hoses for an almost OEM fit and finish. The benefits of this kit are impressive, reducing brake fade, rotor cracking, pad wear, and brake fluid boiling, especially at high speeds. Some models may require trimming for fitment, but that's a small price for improved performance. And speaking of price, for a cool $600, you can elevate your brake performance to the next level. Moving on, we have the Mirack GEN4 swinging spare wheel carrier. This isn't just a spare wheel carrier, it's a revolution in design and functionality. GEN4 offers improved towing capability up to 2 tons and provides convenient access to your spare wheels. It's designed to fit most 4x4 wheels with 5 or 6 stud patterns, making it a versatile addition to your vehicle. It's also easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware, so you can set it up and hit the road in no time. And all these features come with a price tag of $1,000. That's definitely worth the buy. Are you ready to cruise the beach in your new Jeep? If so, check out the KIS custom-built Jeep Wrangler soundbar with RGB LED. This soundbar is a game-changer, boasting 4 best-in-class Series 7, A1 speakers, and 4 tweeters for dynamic audio performance. It's not just about the sound, though. This soundbar amps up the style with various RGB LED color options and a lighted logo. And the best part? Installation is a breeze with its simple plug-and-play process. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, offering peace of mind along with superior sound. For $2,000, you can upgrade your Jeep's sound system in style. Let's turn up the volume with the Seventour 800-watt slim under-seat powered car subwoofer with blue LED ambient light. This is not your typical subwoofer. It's designed to fit snugly under your seat, giving you powerful sound without taking up valuable space. But it's not just about the bass. The Seventour ST-800 features dynamic LED ambient lighting that adds a touch of style to your ride, creating an immersive audio-visual experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a scenic overlook, the high and low-level inputs ensure optimal sound quality. And the best part? For only $150, you can add a touch of style and sound to your car. Safety first with the ZF Group Active Seat Belt. Now, this seat belt will do more than just save your life. Thanks to the Multi-Stage Load Limiter, or MSLL, this innovative technology adjusts the restraining force of the seat belt based on your size and stature. Imagine that! A seat belt that adapts to you. The benefits are clear: reduced consequences in the event of an accident and improved individual protection. Plus, it offers greater flexibility, integrating with other safety systems in your vehicle. With a price that's worth every penny, you can drive safe and in style. Next in line, we have the Putco Molle seat, a tactical Molle panel designed for the back of seats. This isn't just any panel, folks. It's made of 10-gauge aluminum, promising durability and longevity. The kit includes seat straps to ensure secure attachment, and it comes with free Molle mounts for added functionality. What's even better, this product boasts a never-rust limited lifetime warranty. That's right, Putco stands behind their product with a promise to keep it rust-free for a lifetime. And for a reasonable price of $150, you can add a tactical touch to your car. Let's light up the road with the Xprite Vader series grille. This isn't just any grille, folks. It's a perfect fit for the 2018 and beyond Jeep Wrangler JL JLU and the 2020 and beyond Jeep Gladiator JT. The Vader series grille doesn't just add a unique, aggressive look to your Jeep. It's also highly rated by customers. In fact, it boasts a solid 4.5 stars out of 5. Now, that's a crowd pleaser. For a price of $170, you can add a touch of style to your Jeep. Hey dog owners, have y'all heard of the Thule Allax dog crate? This meticulously designed crate is more than just a dog carrier. It's a safety device, crash-tested to ensure maximum protection for both dogs and passengers during car rides. Comfort hasn't been compromised either, with convenient openings for easy access and durable materials, making it a cozy space for your canine companion. And here's the kicker: it's available in 10 different sizes, catering to a variety of cars and dogs. This is the crate you need if you are an active dog owner. For a price that's as reliable as its design, you can keep your furry friend safe and comfortable. Let's take a look at the AirCarrier by Flated, an ultra-lightweight inflatable cargo carrier. The AirCarrier is designed for easy handling by a single person. It features advanced materials and engineering for effortless inflation, transportation, setup, deflation, and storage. So, whether you're headed to the beach or a cross-country road trip, the AirCarrier has you covered. And here's the cool part: it deflates and rolls up for convenient storage in a small bag. Plus, it offers over 23 cubic feet of storage space and can be accessed from either side of the vehicle. And for a price of $500, you can't go wrong when you can add some extra storage to your vehicle. Now, this right here is one hot car invention. This ingenious device projects vital information right onto your windshield. In bright daylight or under the night sky, Carloudly ensures you're always in the know. It's not just about visibility, though. With voice control, you can command the system without taking your hands off the wheel. It syncs with your favorite apps like Google Maps, Yelp, and even ParkWiz. With a 6-inch high-definition display, ambient light sensor, LED lighting, and a high-capacity battery, Carloudly is more than a gadget. It's your smart driving companion going for $150. That price is as impressive as its features. You can simplify your phone usage while driving. Step up with the Bully Utility Step. This universal product is more than just an accessory. It's a statement of convenience and safety. Designed to offer easy access to your vehicle's roof or truck bed, it's an everyday companion for the modern driver. From hauling heavy goods to packing for a road trip adventure, the Bully Utility Step has got your back. Crafted with durability in mind, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. You can't beat this for $70. Time to brighten up your ride with VisorTwin. This simple yet ingenious invention is all about enhancing your driving experience, especially on those sunny days. The VisorTwin is designed to provide optimal comfort by blocking out the sun's glare without obstructing your view. It's easy to install, and its smooth operation is a testament to its thoughtful design. No more squinting, no more discomfort, just a comfortable, glare-free ride. And for just $25, you can save your eyesight while on the road. Raise the bar with Xlifter, a feature-rich air suspension controller. This game-changer for Land Rover vehicles provides easy control and self-leveling capabilities, making rough terrains feel like a walk in the park. Imagine achieving 5-star camping experiences with improved clearance, all from the comfort of your vehicle. The Xlifter is a breeze to install, thanks to its do-it-yourself nature. And if you're not completely satisfied, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's been tested and approved by customers worldwide and comes with fast communication and support. For $650, why not level up the performance of your vehicle? Let's inflate your ride with the Wifey Air System. This air system is designed specifically for trucks and SUVs, offering quick tire inflation and deflation. While it might sound like a DIY project, professional installation is recommended due to the complexity of the system. It's not just about pumping air, folks. You'll need additional components like an ARB compressor mount and air mounts for a complete setup. But hey, with high-quality materials and components included in the kit, it's definitely worth $350. Ready to attach the maximum hitch vise. This isn't just a simple accessory, it's a game changer. Convenient, practical, and incredibly versatile, this vise is designed to make your life easier. Whether it's for a quick roadside repair or a weekend project, this hitch vise is ready to hold the fort. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its ease of use makes it a must-have for every vehicle. And the best part? You get to enjoy all these benefits without breaking the bank, just for $130.